Why do I get acid reflux at night time? I'm Dr. Sethi, I'm a gastroenterologist, and I focus on your gut health and nutrition. So acid reflux can happen because of two reasons, at night time especially. First is that the dinner that you ate is still in the stomach when you went to bed. The second reason would be the dinner that you ate lowered the pressure of the lower esophageal sphincter. That is a valve between the food pipe and the stomach. So there are 7 natural remedies that I'm going to discuss that can help prevent acid reflux from happening, especially at night time. The first one is when you sleep at night, try and sleep on your left lateral side. When you're sleeping on your left side, because most of the people's stomach is on the left side, the gravity helps in keeping the acid produced in the stomach for digestion in the stomach and preventing acid reflux from happening at night. The second recommendation would be to have a gap of at least 3 to 4 hours between your dinner time and your sleep time. That time is sufficient for the stomach to produce the acid and digest the food and push it down into the small intestine so that when you sleep, you're sleeping with a clean stomach. The third remedy I would recommend is, which I recommend to a lot of my patients, is to buy an acid reflux wedge from any store or Amazon and stick it under the mattress. That will elevate the head of the bed and would use gravity to keep the acid produced in the stomach, decreasing your chance of getting hit by the acid during nighttime when you sleep. The fourth recommendation would be avoiding spicy foods, sour foods, caffeine, and alcohol near bedtime. All of these things decrease the pressure in the lower esophageal sphincter and making you prone to get acid reflux when you sleep. Avoid overeating. If you're eating a lot, your stomach is more than full, it's going to be difficult for your stomach to push all that food digested into the small intestine, and you're more likely to experience acid reflux throughout the night. The sixth recommendation would be to try and drink ginger tea or a teaspoon of fennel seeds, or you can make a tea out of fennel seeds as well. That helps in the digestion of the food and making you less likely to experience acid reflux during nighttime. And my last recommendation would be consider chewing gum after dinner time. If you are prone to getting acid reflux, you can chew gum for a few minutes. That will bring the saliva that is alkaline in the mouth into the food pipe in the stomach and decrease the acidity levels in your stomach. Make sure that the chewing gum does not have the mint flavor, because mint can decrease the pressure in the lower esophageal sphincter, making you prone to get acid reflux throughout the night. That's all for today, guys. Please share this video with your loved ones, as acid reflux is a very common disease. It affects millions of people worldwide. So if we can manage it with natural solutions, nothing like it. See you in the next video.